Hi everyone, and welcome to the Texas Water Development Board's latest water and weather report. I'm Dr. Mark Wenzel, a hydrologist in the Surface Water Division here at the agency. And today we're going to take a look at conditions for our state at the end of April 2020. This will be the second month in a row I'm not in my usual studio space. This month I'm coming to you from my backyard. 2020 has been a bit unusual, and the weather in Texas seems to want to be a part of that too. Let's take a look at the normal or average precipitation across Texas for the month of April. Average April rainfall varies from about 4 inches on the Louisiana border in the east to about a quarter inch for El Paso in the west. But we typically don't see that much variation going north to south. Thankfully, April came along and flipped that pattern a bit. Here we're looking at April 2020 precipitation and how it compares to the average conditions we saw on the previous map. Green, blue, and purple show areas that received above average precipitation. Yellow, orange, and red areas received below average rainfall. In April 2020, Houston received near average rainfall with 2.8 inches recorded, while Dallas received 1.25 inches, less than half of normal. In the last month, scattered pockets of average and above average rainfall helped improve drought conditions across the southern half of the state. At the end of April, 16% of the state was in drought, the tan and darker colors on the map, down 4 percentage points from the end of March. The improvement in drought conditions in South Texas that began in April is expected to continue for the next few months. Through the end of July, the National Weather Service is expecting an easing of drought conditions in our state. However, those improvements aren't expected to eliminate drought entirely. That concludes our water and weather report for April. In summary, April showers brought more rain in the south and less in the north, reversing the trend from earlier in the year. Moderate or worse drought covers 16% of the state, down 4 percentage points from the end of March. In coming months, drought conditions are expected to continue to improve, but not disappear from the state. Thanks for viewing, and I hope you all stay healthy and safe.